Hurricane Hillary Rodham Clinton is coming to town. No, coming to this country. This is the biggest fucking hurricane we've ever had on record. Hurricane Hillary Rodham Clinton is going to drown this nation in debt. I predict within 3 years after Hurricane Hillary hits, we're going to be $30 trillion in debt for the national debt. Dear God, please keep Hillary from coming in to the White House. She's going to flood this country with illegal immigrants and ISIS, Islamic terrorists, and posing as Syrian refugees. There will be power outages nationwide when those ISIS people come undercover amidst the Syrian refugees and detonate pulse bombs. Imagine a pulse bomb detonated near a hospital. There'll be a lot of people dying from Hurricane Hillary. When Hurricane Hillary Rodham Clinton goes into this country, damn, she's gonna be a bitch. Businesses from coast to coast are gonna close. Grocery stores, restaurants, pharmacies, doctor's office. When Hurricane Hillary comes to the country and lets all those fucking refugees into this fucking country, she, in effect, is bringing in the Trojan horse, the modern-day Trojan horse, in broad daylight. And in this Trojan horse of Syrian refugees all over the fucking world are going to be the ISIS, Muslim, Islamic terrorists. Yes, I said it, Muslim, Islamic, jihadist terrorists on your political correctness. They're going to be amongst the Syrian refugees waiting for the signal to fuck this country up. Hurricane Hillary is going to give this country one hell of a wet fucking blow job that's going to give us a disease worse, an STD worse than AIDS. Hillary Clinton is going to fuck us up. Hillary Clinton is going to fuck America. Man, there's nothing, you can board up your windows all you want. You can stock up on food all you want. When Hurricane Hillary comes to town, she's going to blow away our Second Amendment rights to bear arms.